Hello there, ChatGPT. Hello there, ChatGPT. I will be asking you questions about my social goals and my professional goals. So I want you to answer them in detail. My first question is, how can we reduce the gap between rural and urban
That's a really important question. Reducing the digital divide involves a few key strategies. For starters, improving infrastructure, like expanding broadband access to rural and underserved areas, is crucial. Then there's providing affordable devices and data plans, as well as enhancing digital. Absolutely. Sure. Another important aspect is fostering partnerships between governments, private companies, and non-profits to ensure that resources are allocated effectively. And of course, promoting policies that support equitable access and inclusivity is key. It's definitely a multifaceted effort.
Okay, my next question is, how can early how can early earning opportunities build responsibility in students?
That's a great question. Early earning opportunities can really help students build responsibility by teaching them time management, financial literacy, and work ethics. When students take on part-time jobs, internships, or freelance gigs, they learn how to balance their studies with work, manage their income, and develop professional skills that will benefit them in the long run.
Please answer my questions. Please answer my questions in a bit more detail.
Of course, diving a bit deeper, early earning opportunities can also help students gain practical experience in their fields of interest. This kind of exposure can help them understand workplace dynamics, build a professional network, and develop problem solving skills. Moreover, it teaches them accountability as they learn to meet deadlines, handle feedback, and manage responsibilities independently. All of these experiences contribute to their personal and professional growth.
What mindset shift is needed for students to accept AI-based learning?
To embrace AI-based learning, students often need a growth mindset. That means being open to change, adaptable to new technologies, willing to experiment and learn from mistakes. It also helps to have a curiosity and an openness to continuous learning, along with the understanding that AI is a tool to enhance their education rather than replace it. This mindset shift can really help them make the most of AI-driven tools.
Please, I want to answer my questions in detail. My next question is, how can teachers adapt to AI-powered education systems?
Great question. Teachers can adapt to AI-powered education systems by first embracing continuous professional development. They can learn how to integrate AI tools into their lesson plans, use data analytics to personalize learning, and leverage AI for administrative tasks to save time. It's also important for teachers to maintain a human touch, focusing on mentorship, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking skills, ensuring that AI complements their teaching rather than replacing it.
How can we ensure ethical and responsible use of AI by students?
Ensuring ethical and responsible AI use involves a few key steps. First, we can integrate digital literacy into the curriculum, teaching students about data privacy, bias, and the implications of AI. It's also important to foster a culture of critical thinking, encouraging them to question how AI systems work and their potential impacts. We can also set clear guidelines and policies for AI use, ensuring that students understand the ethical boundaries and the importance of respecting others' rights and dignity. A multifaceted approach. First, education plays a crucial role. This means integrating comprehensive digital literacy programs that cover not just the technical aspects of AI, but also the ethical implications. Students should learn about issues like bias in AI algorithms, the importance of data privacy, and the potential societal impacts of AI technology. In addition to education, creating a culture of ethical awareness is vital. Schools and institutions can set clear guidelines and policies that outline acceptable use of AI, making sure students understand the importance of transparency and accountability. This can include discussing real-world case studies where AI use had significant ethical implications, helping students learn from those examples. Moreover, encouraging critical thinking is key. Students should be guided to question AI outputs, consider the broader social context, and understand that AI is not infallible. This means fostering an environment where ethical discussions and debates are encouraged. Finally, involving parents and the community can reinforce these ethical standards. By creating a collaborative approach, students are more likely to internalize ethical principles and apply them consistently in their use of AI.
What digital skills should every student learn today?
That's a fantastic question. And in today's world, there are several digital skills that are essential for every student. First and foremost, foundational computer literacy is crucial. This includes understanding how to operate systems, manage files, and navigate software applications. Beyond that, students should gain proficiency in productivity tools like word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software. These tools help them organize information, analyze data, and communicate effectively. Another vital skill is digital communication, which involves using email, video conferencing, and collaborative platforms effectively and professionally. Coding and basic programming knowledge are also increasingly important. Even a basic understanding of languages like Python or JavaScript can help students think logically and solve problems. Data literacy is another key area. Students should be able to understand how to collect, interpret, and visualize data responsibly. This includes knowing how to use tools like Excel or data visualization software. Cybersecurity awareness is also crucial. Students should understand how to protect their personal information, recognize phishing attempts, and maintain good digital hygiene. Lastly, it's beneficial for students to develop problem solving and critical thinking skills in a digital context. This means learning how to evaluate sources, think analytically, and innovate using technology. In essence, equipping students with these skills not only prepares them for the future workforce, but also empowers them to navigate the digital world responsibly and effectively.
How can AI help students become problem solvers instead of rote learners?
AI can play a transformative role in helping students become problem solvers by shifting the focus from memorization to critical thinking and application. One of the key ways is through personalized learning experiences. AI can adapt educational content to fit each student's learning pace and style, providing tailored challenges that encourage deep understanding rather than mere memorization. Additionally, AI-powered tools can offer real-time feedback, helping students identify mistakes and learn from them. This immediate feedback loop encourages a growth mindset where students are motivated to experiment, reflect, and refine their approaches. Complex real-world problems in a simulated environment, allowing students to engage in hands-on learning. This experiential approach helps students apply theoretical knowledge to practical scenarios, fostering creativity and critical thinking. Moreover, AI can facilitate collaborative learning by connecting students with peers and experts globally. This kind of interaction exposes them to diverse perspectives and problem-solving strategies, enriching their learning experience. Ultimately, by integrating AI into education, we can shift the focus from passive learning to active problem-solving, empowering students to become innovative thinkers and lifelong learners.
How can parents support children in tech-based learning?
Parents can play a pivotal role in supporting children in tech-based learning by creating an environment that encourages curiosity and exploration. One of the first steps is to provide access to the right tools and resources, such as a reliable internet connection, appropriate devices, and educational software. Beyond that, parents can actively engage with their children's learning by showing interest in the technologies they're using, asking questions, and exploring concepts together. This helps reinforce the learning process and makes it more interactive and enjoyable. Another important aspect is setting healthy boundaries and routines. Parents can help children balance screen time with offline activities, ensuring that tech-based learning doesn't overwhelm other essential skills and experiences. Privacy and responsible digital citizenship, helping children understand the impact of their actions online. Lastly, parents can curriculum and even participating in school events or workshops. This collaborative approach ensures that children have a consistent and supportive learning experience both at home and in school.
Okay, now I will be asking you questions about my business goals, my professional goals. What mistakes should beginners avoid when using AI tools?
Absolutely. When beginners start using AI tools, there are a few common pitfalls to watch out for. First, one key mistake is overestimating AI's capabilities. It's important to remember that AI tools are powerful, but still have limitations and can't replace human judgment entirely. Another mistake is neglecting data quality. AI systems rely heavily on the data they're trained on, so using inaccurate or biased data can lead to flawed outcomes. It's also crucial to avoid the black box mentality. Beginners should strive to understand how AI models work rather than just treating them as black boxes to ensure more transparent and accountable use. Another common error is underestimating the importance of human oversight. AI can assist, but human expertise is still essential for interpreting results and making informed decisions. Lastly, beginners should avoid neglecting ongoing learning and adaptation. AI technologies evolve quickly, so staying updated with new developments and best practices is vital for effective and ethical AI use.
How can AI support better decision making in business?
AI can significantly enhance decision making in business by providing data driven insights and automating complex analytical processes. One of the main ways AI supports better decision making is through advanced data analytics. AI can process vast amounts of data quickly, uncover patterns, trends, and correlations that might not be immediately apparent to human analysts. Additionally, AI can help in predictive analytics, allowing businesses to forecast future trends and outcomes with greater accuracy. This can lead to more informed strategic planning, risk management, and resource allocation. AI also enhances decision making through automation by handling repetitive tasks and streamlining workflows. AI frees up human employees to focus on more strategic and creative aspects of decision making. Moreover, AI can support personalized customer insights by analyzing customer data. AI can help businesses understand customer preferences and behaviors, leading to better targeted marketing strategies and improve customer experiences. Finally, AI can facilitate better collaboration and communication within organizations by providing intelligent insights and recommendations that help teams make cohesive, well-informed decisions. In essence, AI acts as a powerful enabler, helping business become more agile, data-driven, and competitive in their decision-making processes.
What role does data play in building intelligent systems?
Data is absolutely fundamental to building intelligent systems. Essentially, data acts as the foundation upon which AI models learn and make predictions. High quality, relevant, and diverse data enables AI systems to recognize patterns, learn from examples, and make accurate predictions or decisions. The quality of data directly impacts the performance of AI models. Clean, well labeled, and representative data ensures that the AI can generalize well and avoid biases. On the other hand, poor quality or biased data can lead to incorrect conclusions and unreliable outcomes. Data also plays a crucial role in training and fine-tuning AI models. During the training phase, data is fed into algorithms, allowing the model to learn and adjust its parameters to minimize errors. the more comprehensive and varied the data, the better the model can perform across different scenarios.
Thank you, ChatGPT, for your helpful insights. I learned a lot. And everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next session. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.